Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how my mom and I made some hot chocolate bombs. To start, you just need melting chocolate or chocolate. We have found that the Ghirardelli's works the best. The only other supplies that you need is hot chocolate, marshmallows, and sprinkles. The first step is to melt your chocolate until it's runny. You don't want any hard spots in it. If you leave your chocolate in the microwave too long, it will get hard. So I would just do small increments of time and stir it until it's done. The first layer of chocolate, you just want to put about a spoonful in the bottom of the mold, and then use a brush to just paint the sides, or you can use a spoon. We used a spoon on one, and you'll see we used a brush on the other. But you just want to do a really thin coat, and you want to make sure that you seal off the top edge with a thicker coat, and then you will freeze these for 10 minutes. I will have the molds linked in the description box below. These ones are quick shipping and in the United States, so you should get them within a couple days of ordering. They do ship within 24 hours. We are using peppermint candy melts. These are our favorite. We found those at Michael's. But here I'm just showing you we used a brush, and then in the next clip you will see us doing the second coat. Make sure you do 2 coats because you want them to be thick enough that they're not going to break when you try to pop them out of the mold. After freezing them again, they just pop out so smoothly, as you can see. Next, you're going to warm up a plate so that you can melt the edges of the mold. I do this on the first mold before I put the stuff in the middle because it kind of cleans it up. Here you'll see I'm putting 2 scoops of hot chocolate, some marshmallows. We bought dried, dehydrated ones, but regular ones work too. And then I put some sprinkles in there. After you've done the bottom, just melt the top and they will stick together. You can kind of seal the edge with your finger, and then I pop those back in the freezer for just a minute. And after you're done, just decorate them however you wish. We just used red and green and white candy melts and melted them and drizzled them. We used sprinkles, we used candy canes, we put marshmallows on top, but it's endless, and I'll just put in a few clips here of some other ones that we did. This cute snowman one is one of my favorites. We got the little carrot nose. It came in a little sprinkle bag from Walmart, and then we just piped the eyes and the little mouth on with royal icing. But when you put it in a cup and it melts, it looks like a melting snowman, and I think it's so cute, and the kids loved it. And lastly, we just put them in some cellophane bags in a cupcake liner and tied a bow. I think it turned out really, really cute. And enjoy them. Just fill up a mug full of hot milk and pop in your bomb and watch it do its magic. It's so fun to watch. And the kids, like I said, my kids think these are the greatest things ever. Awesome gift for your kids' friend and a fun thing you guys can do as a family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.